Welcome back TikTok. Welcome back YouTube. 2026 has um been honestly pretty insane for me. 2026 has kind of got off to a slow start for me, and I'm slowly getting back into the rhythm now. And yeah, that's just kind of how trading is. You can't really like force trades, and I mean, you can sit in here and look at price action. That's literally what I did today. I did not trade, but today it was by far the best um price action by far, in my personal opinion here. Cause I mean, London session moved literally perfectly. If we had trading days like this nearly every single day, I think I would be literally top notch trade, be one of the top notch traders in this industry if price action moves like how it did today. This was literally the greatest setups for longs, and I couldn't I wish I could have took advantage of this because I thought today was honestly just going to move like how yesterday did. I mean, this was also not bad either. I mean, we had manipulation candle down, we fell. Well, that was Sunday's price action, but I mean, Asian session Loki kind of moved. But so let's kind of get into um what we've seen here today. Today was literally perfect. 15-minute high on London session, 15-minute low. I always mark out my 15 minutes when it comes out to um, London session, and then 4 hour low, and then session high, and it's still continuing to move, honestly. So, how I was looking at this was, if I can actually lock this right now. See, I'm getting into the rhythm here. This would just been straight bullish. I mean, we had a small 15-minute 8 a.m. candle was bearish. Um, 8:15 candle was bullish. So I probably on the 8:15 candle, I probably would have pressed buy because that's the 8 to 8:50 a.m. candle strat, and it literally just soared. So today was just pretty much a buy. Okay, and then let's also look at 4 hour. Okay, we are inversing this 4 hour gap from Wednesday here. So, and then Friday's candle. Yeah, we're pretty much just retracing. Okay. Um to me, I want to see how it reacts off of this 4 hour high tomorrow. Cuz if it just rips through it, then we're obviously pushing up into this price range, and it's kind of look like over here straight bullish. So I'm honestly curious to know on like how is it going to react when we take out these 4 hour session highs. Is it just going to move straight through it, or are we going to touch this and we are just going to re-come into this? So what I'm looking for is pretty much right here, and then I'm also looking to see how it's going to react as soon as we push right there. So that's honestly what I'm looking for. And we're starting to move bearish right here. And let's also look at ES. ES, we're approaching close as well. I think we have two SMTs to the downside. So let's honestly move that a little bit lower. So bearish SMT from, so let's take off my magnet. So bearish SMT. And then let's look at NAS, and we're also making a bearish SMT. So we're pretty equal in terms of the indexes copying each other here. So yeah, that's honestly what I'm waiting for. Are we just gonna take off here? And if so, then I might be slightly more risk based and maybe move my sell, and then I'll probably target like these lows right here. So let's also copy that. I'll be a little bit more risk based. Also expand here. Take that, and let's move like right here. Get an exact point of entry here. All right. Move this right here. So this is what it'll look like. All right. So for example, let's go here. Let's go brush. So let's say we instantly make here. We don't close above this and we push down. Then I'm obviously buying right at that midpoint right there. And then if I'm going to trade, if it's going to break this bearish SMT here. So let's say Candle moves down a little bit. We move up. We take out these highs and we just excel on upwards. I'm going to wait until I'm going to be looking at this. So to be able to confirm if we're going to keep pushing even higher after we do break above this, um, I might honestly just wait until it breaks above this high as well. And you might be asking, well, I'm trying to keep my P&L pretty safe. So I'm going to be, if it does break above this and it doesn't come back down, because I'm thinking that it's going to hit this and maybe push downwards and we can hit this. Because I'm more focused on if it decides to come into here. Now, if it does come into there, it's going to be a little bit more risky to trade, and I'm definitely going to find y'all the entry so y'all can definitely be able to take this. So my approach when it comes onto this is what I'm kind of scared of. Okay, let's say we close here, we make a candle, we close here, we close here, and it always decides to have a retrace downwards. That's what I'm kind of scared of, because I don't want to put y'all on a trade to where y'all can possibly lose this, because that could very well happen. So I'm honestly scared. And let's say we make a green candle here, we close, or in this instance, a blue candle, and it decides to come up here and it meets resistance, and then we instantly make a larger candle, closing like this. So that's honestly what I'm watching out for. I mean, that could very well happen. We could definitely close right here and then instantly candle wick down here. And let's check actually news for tomorrow, because news can honestly, that very, what is today? Today is the 12th. Today is the 12th. Oh, today's Monday. What am I talking about, bro? I'm tripping. Oh. Man, I didn't even have my oh, tomorrow. Okay. So, we got CPI tomorrow. See, I didn't even look at news. I didn't even look at news. Today we had nothing, but tomorrow, okay, we have CPI news data. Okay. So that makes like the world of difference. That makes the world of difference. All right. What time does CPI? CPI comes out in pre-market. Okay. So we'll definitely wait after CPI news data comes out. Um at 4 a.m. Oh, that's GDP. I'm tripping. Tentative 7 a.m. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna see how CPI affects this, because I mean CPI news data. I mean we could just blow through this. Okay, that makes like a world of a difference. Okay, so I'm basically just gonna, so this literally figures out everything. So I'm just gonna see how CPI news data reacts off of that. Obviously, it might just completely throw everything out of whack here. It's definitely gonna take out this bearish S&T here. So that does make a word of a difference now. So I'm definitely just gonna wait after CPI news data, and I'm just gonna be a lot more transparent with y'all. I'm gonna definitely screen record. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do after CPI news data does come out though, and yeah, that does make a word of a difference. So that's kind of all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to show y'all that like this is the best price actions I've seen so far, and I'm definitely going to get into rhythm of making more videos now since I got all the family stuff done. I waited, took a couple of days off, getting into the rhythm of marking out my highs and lows and just seeing how my strategy lines up with the new 2026 markets now, because market structure does shift and the trading is slightly different, but I'm getting into the flow of it, and I want y'all guys to get the best possible news and possible value that y'all can receive here. I'm sorry that I was just yapping there, but yeah, that's kind of like honestly how I am moving in 2026 today. I appreciate y'all's time, and I know y'all can, if y'all can put y'all's mind to do something, I know y'all can do it, because this is a really the industry that we're in, guys, is very lucrative, and we are definitely gonna push forward and make 2026 one of the best trading years possible. So that's all I got for y'all guys today. I am really grateful for all the traction I'm getting into this channel, and I'm definitely going to be way more consistent with y'all. So I appreciate literally everything y'all have done for me, and yeah, that's all I got for y'all. I hope y'all guys have a wonderful trading session tomorrow. I wish y'all all the best, and I'm definitely gonna put out the best value that I possibly can. So thank you guys, and that's literally everything I got.